Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GetAssist.net, where I make troubleshooting videos and useful tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you a few methods using which you can know your Gmail account creation date. So without wasting a minute more, let's get started with the video. Alright, the first option you have is to look for the welcome email from Google. Whenever you create a new Gmail account, you receive a welcome email from Google that can tell you the account creation date. For that, on the right side of the Gmail screen, you will see an email count that might display as 1 to 500 or something similar to it. You simply have to click on it and you will see the oldest option. You have to click on that. Now you will now be able to see emails from the day you created your account and will also spot the welcome email as well. Alright, at the bottom, but this will only work if you haven't deleted the welcome email. In my case, I have already deleted the welcome email, so this method didn't work out for me. Now if you don't have the welcome email, the next method might work out for you to find when your Gmail account was created. Now the next thing you can do is to see when you created your Google account is to check the year that you joined YouTube, which is also the same year that you created an account on Google. For that, you have to log into YouTube with that Gmail account, and then you have to click on the profile icon in the top right corner. Now from here you have to go to your channel. So all this you have to do on a browser. You cannot use the app for this. You can use the YouTube app, but you can't use the Gmail app for this matter. Alright. Now here, if you will go to the About section, you will see the account creation date. So this is joined 26 September 2020. Alright. But sometimes it might not give you the right information, as you might have joined YouTube months later after creating your Gmail account. So if this method didn't help you, let's move on to the next method, and I assure you this is going to help you find the account creation date for sure. For that, you have to go to this link right here that you can see on the screen, and this will land you on the Google API Explorer page. So I will also put this link in the description box below, so you can just copy and paste it on a browser. Now on the window that you see, you have to select two boxes right here, these two boxes under credentials, and then you have to click on the blue execute button. Alright, now you have to sign into the Gmail account for which you want to know the account creation date. Now you simply have to give the required access by simply scrolling down and select allow. Now here, if you will simply scroll down a bit, here you will see the creation date. So that's the date I have created my Gmail account, and you will also see the time when I created it. Another method that you can use to know your Gmail account creation date is to use Google Takeout. Google Takeout is a service that you can use to export your Google data. So you have to go to takeout.google.com. And then you have to sign into your Gmail account for which you want to know the account creation date. Now from the list that you see right here under create a new export, you have to first of all deselect everything, and then you have to press Ctrl F and search for Google account. So here you will see one option by the name Google account, data about registration and account activity. So simply have to select this box, and then you have to scroll down to the bottom and click on next step. As you can see, you have selected one of the files. Now you have to select a delivery method that you should select as export once, and select the file type and size as zip and 2 GB, and after that you have to click on create export. So as you can see, it's written that Google has started creating your copy. So here is a file that has been created by Google right now. You can simply click on download to start downloading it. So as you can see, the file got downloaded really quick. Now you simply have to open this file, and then you have to open this folder, Google account. Now again open this HTML file, and now here you will be able to see the account creation date. So that's the date on which you created your Google account. So these were all the methods you can try to find out your Gmail account creation date, and do mention in the comment section which method worked for you. That was all for this video. For any queries or suggestions for my next video, you can reach out to the comment box down below, and you can also visit my website, that is getassist.net, for more informational content. And for now, I will take the leave. We'll be back soon with a new video.